Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl. What's up? I just wanted to come on here and show you a quick little talk to you about a quick little update, but show you some things that I've been making. I have a full tutorial on these things, and guess what? My phone went so crazy yesterday. I was not able to upload everything, and I hope I didn't lose all the footage, but I want to show you what I'm making. And it's called Decoden. So these are hearts that I created on my Cricut machine. I just cute. So I'm getting ready to create a necklace for this. Just a fun, junky necklace. I have different sizes here. Then I have a little one right here. So yes, so this is what, and I actually have, like I said, I did a full tutorial on how to do it. So the stuff that I'm using, trying to find it. This is what it's called. I got a small box because I didn't know, how it was going to work. But this is what I have. And I could have this in my Amazon store if you like. Also, I'll show you my inspiration for, let me show you what came in the box first of all. So what came in the box was this. Actually, it was 3. I just used, this was, hold on. This was the light pink one, but I used it up. So it was 3 that came like this. And like I said, this is the light pink. It takes 24 hours to dry. So this is still dry, but it's a little hard. It came with this. It came with these little pearls right here. And I was so mad because I didn't put some on there, but I'm going to put some on there because I could use my glue. It also came with these, and that's the bigger charms. And then I ended up, let's see, what else did it come with? Oh, and it came with, here they go. I had to pull my computer down. I needed to move my computer, but I have it up. And they came with, oh, shoot. Grab it. Good Lord. And they came with these. These are like, what people make when they make cakes and stuff and they put the icing on there. Baby, if I was a baker and I was practicing icing, this would be cute. So anyway, they call it junk jewelry pieces. And this is going to be a really cute necklace. Let me show you this is my inspiration off of Pinterest. That's my inspiration. Isn't that cute? So, but this is my larger piece. This is going to be my larger piece. That's going to be there. And then I have the different sizes. I have like 3, 4 different sizes, like I said. So I am excited. That was my Pinterest, Instagram. Look at that. That's Puma. That was my Pinterest. And I got one more. And you cannot eat this. Okay, this is poison. It's a clay. A glue clay or something. So it smell good. It really smell good. It smell like cake frosting. So be careful. Because you don't want those kids to be trying to eat this stuff. Because it is not to be ate. Okay. The next thing I'm going to do a decadent bracelet. That's going to be cute. They call it decadent. So I also bought, and that's what you see right here on there. These are the charms I bought from Amazon. I could put a link to this. I wish these were a little bigger, but they came out cute. It came out cute though, didn't it? Let me get it. It looked big, don't it? It's not that big though, y'all. It just looked like that because of the camera, but it's going to be so cute. And then I can make like little pins that you stick on. This would be cute on this dress or a blue jean dress or a black dress. It would pop out. Where you going, Puma? I don't know what Puma doing. So anyway, and these were, and it's a lot in here, but I got to get a little case to put these in because I don't want them to spill everywhere because that would just be a wreck. Then I bought, hold on, this as well. Puma, stop. What are you doing? Come on, Puma. Come over here. Then I bought this, which came with, I haven't used this yet, but came with this, and that you pick up the stones. You can pick up the stones with this. And it also came with this tool here as well. So that's what this came with. So that's what this came with. So anyway, and I have another, hold on. So I have leather bracelets that I'm going to do as well. So stay tuned. I bought these earrings. And like I said, I have a full tutorial on this, doing these. I gotta do some stuff for I'm in summer program right now, right? I'm teaching a summer school I'm doing a summer school program right now. So I'm teaching summer school, and so I got to get ready for today. My first day was yesterday. So, and I came home and wanted to do a video. Listen, y'all, it's so much been going on. Like, just life been lifing, baby, lately. Life been lifing. And still, fighting to get my check from the contractor. Just life and life and baby. So you know what? This is like good inspiration for me. I'm enjoying it. Oh, and I got some of these too. I forgot. And like I said, these are good for when you make the earrings. Let me show you these. They come in silver and gold. I forgot I had got these. Okay. So these right here, these are cute. I have some stuff too for if people don't have pierced ears. So these are, let me see. So you glue this part onto, if you're making earrings, you glue this on the back. Okay, see that? All right, so this is my update. I'm trying to get these videos up, and I did do the video of the tie. Do I have them down here? They're around here somewhere. I don't know where they are right now. So I was gonna do some earrings like this because I seen a young lady, I think her name is Cece. She does Decoden. She does the Decoden. So she does them on here. I don't know yet. So I have these, and I got these on Amazon too. They was kind of big, but this, and I got these. They come two in the back. So these both they was in here. So I don't know about this yet. I have to work on this because I really don't wear no big old earrings. Like, baby, that's, but I'm about to do them anyway and see how they gonna come out. But yeah, y'all, that's it. Now I got to get back to actually working on my other stuff. And y'all know my book is out, right? I'm gonna show y'all. Y'all know I have to tell y'all about the book. Now, y'all know I'm not playing with y'all about my book. So I'm doing it. Actually, it's going on audio. Oh, look at this. Baby, you see all them little stickers in there. Come on, y'all. Y'all know I'm going to tell y'all about the book. So this is a part of my being creative and doing my thing. But I just wanted to jump on here and give y'all an update. This is actually for my Angie B style people. I'm giving you an update. So, yeah, I have a full tutorial on this. And like I said, I made my own hearts. Oh, you know what? I don't need to take this computer off because I need to print out the stuff for my kids for class. So, yeah. So, like I said, I have a whole tutorial on this. So, those are so cute. Wait till you see the neck. The necklace gonna be cute. I'm about tempted to put a pin on the back of here and wear it today to school, to my summer school. That's cute to wear with my dress, baby. That's so cute. That's cute. But I don't know, this dress ain't sitting right. Anyway, okay, y'all. So that's about it. I need to get in here and set up my stuff for my class today because I'm teaching them how to actually create e-zines, their own personal stories. And I told them they can give it to somebody or they can keep it for themselves. And let me show you what I'm doing. So they actually created these. Let me show you. They actually created this stuff. And this the rest of it I have to do. We created it on, they got some cute stuff. I'll show you. I'm going to print them out. They created these on, I showed them how to do AI. They told me what they wanted. One little girl said, I love AI. Really, girl? They so cute. But, so I'm doing, just getting their stuff together now for their e-zines. So I can print it out. And that's what I'm working on now. So, I'm putting it in Canva And I've already set it up for, and they're doing the smaller. When you take the 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper and you fold it in half. I show you. I had one. Then I went out the house yesterday. I left, and I can't find it right now. And I left, and I left the whole folder with all the stickers and everything that I made for them. I was like, girl, what are you doing? Hey y'all, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to share. Thank you for being a part of the Angie B Style community on YouTube and on my Instagram. So don't forget to follow me over there and check out the website as well. Check out the patterns, the tutorials that I have on the handbags. I'm really excited about it. I'm working on getting new stuff up, and thank you for being a part, and thank you for hanging out with me. I really do appreciate it, and I don't take it for granted. And this is something that gives me some peace and comfort and joy when I get to create and share it with my community. And thank you for being a part of it. And again, don't forget to tell somebody about us. All right. I'll talk to you soon. And guess what? Don't forget to also come on over to the Angie B podcast. I want to share some things with you over there as well. And I know it's not like creative stuff, but it's a part of being in a creative community to share input and things that we need to look out for, and just, create joy, happiness, and peace. All right, y'all. I'll talk to you soon. And all of the links are going to be in the description. And yeah, and don't forget, go check out my patterns that I have over on the website. My custom patterns for the handbags and all different kind of tutorials. All right, talk to you soon. Peace.